FAAH 8083-30A. Aviation Maintenance Technician Handbook General. Preface. The Aviation Maintenance Technician Handbook General, FAAH 8083-30A, was developed as one of a series of 3 handbooks for persons preparing for mechanic certification with airframe or power plant ratings, or both. It is intended that this handbook will provide basic information on principles, fundamentals, and technical procedures in the subject matter areas common to both the airframe and power plant ratings. Emphasis in this volume is on theory and methods of application. The handbook is designed to aid students enrolled in a formal course of instruction preparing for FAA certification as a maintenance technician as well as for current technicians who wish to improve their knowledge. This volume contains information on mathematics, aircraft drawings, weight and balance, aircraft materials, processes and tools, physics, electricity, inspection, ground operations, and FAA regulations governing the certification and work of maintenance technicians. New to this volume is a section addressing how successful aviation maintenance technicians incorporate knowledge and awareness of ethics, professionalism and human factors in the field. Because there are so many different types of airframes and power plants in use today, it is reasonable to expect that differences exist in the components and systems of each. To avoid undue repetition, the practice of using representative systems and units is implemented throughout the handbook. Subject matter treatment is from a generalized point of view, and should be supplemented by reference to manufacturer's manuals or other textbooks if more detail is desired. This handbook is not intended to replace, substitute for, or supersede official regulations or the manufacturer's instructions. The companion handbooks to Aviation Maintenance Technician Handbook General, FAAH 8083-30A, are the Aviation Maintenance Technician Handbook Airframe, FAAH 8083-31, as amended, and the Aviation Maintenance Technician Handbook Power Plant, FAAH 8083-32, as amended. This handbook is available for download, in PDF format, from www.faa.gov. Please visit this website for the latest version of all FAA handbooks. This handbook is published by the U.S. Department of Transportation, Federal Aviation Administration, Airmen Testing Standards Branch, OPS 630, P.O. Box 25082, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma 73125. Comments regarding this publication should be emailed to afs630comments@faa.gov. 3. Aviation Maintenance Technician Handbook General, 2018. U.S. Department of Transportation, Federal Aviation Administration, Flight Standards Service.